Okay guys, so the next one we're gonna do is called a side plank. So we'll show you the 3 different progressions on this one. You could technically make 4, so we might just do that. So you'll notice my legs are a little bit forward, okay? So I'm not completely back. So what you're gonna do is you're actually going to go up at a diagonal. So see how I'm kind of pointing at that like angle? So you see how I come up? So I'm not just coming back here, I'm actually coming up and over, okay? And then down. Breathing through your abdomen. So this is our first one. Now what you can do is once you get used to actually being able to hold here, then you can actually come into a continuous hold. And you'll notice, see this straight line? So if you were to look at me from a side angle, my shoulder, my hip, my knee, they would all be in a straight line, okay? So once you master that, then what we can do is we can start working the same way we did on the kneeling side plank into the full, okay? And you can work into these, same way. And then your most advanced would be into the full side plank. And remember, if it's hard to get on the floor, you can hike these up on a counter. So maybe you have a counter or a bed, and you can come here, okay? Higher up, okay? So there's a few ways to modify that one.